Today we will read another story about the characters Dan and Tab. Tab is Dan's tan cat. How do you think Tab will tap? We will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what these characters do. First, we're going to play a game called What Am I Thinking? I will give you clues about one of the words and you will guess the word. Ready? I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. One of the letters is A. This word rhymes with bad. What word am I thinking of? Had, that's correct. Now I'm thinking of a word that has 5 letters. It ends with the letter T. This word rhymes with thirst. Good, the word is first. Now I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters, but only 3 sounds. This word rhymes with wood. Good, that's correct. Wood and good rhyme. I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. It ends with the sound Z. This word rhymes with buzz. Good, was is the correct word. Now I'm thinking of a word that has 2 letters. It starts with the letter M. This word rhymes with Y. My is correct. I'm thinking of another word that has 2 letters. One of the letters is E. Good, the word is he. Now I'm thinking of another word that has just 1 letter. It is the first letter of the alphabet. Yes, the letter A. For the word I'm thinking of a word that has only 1 letter, and this word rhymes with Y. I is correct. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that we've learned how to blend word chunks to say words. I will say a word in 2 chunks, the beginning and the rest of the word. Then you will blend the chunks to say the word. Listen to the chunks. T, ub. I can blend the chunks to say the word. T, ub, tub. The word is tub. Does tub have a picture match? Wiggle your fingers if you see a picture match to the word you say. Your turn. Listen and blend the word chunks. Then wiggle your fingers if there is a picture match. Here are the chunks for the first word. App. What is the word? Nap. Great. Does the word nap have a picture match? No. That's right. Not all the words you say will have a picture match. Let's keep going. The next word. Axe. Ug. App. Ought. Ale. And oat. Now we are going to, first we blended chunks to say words. Now we're going to blend individual sounds to say words. I will say all the sounds in a word, and you will blend the sounds to say the word. Listen as I do the first one. T. When I blend t, I say the word met. Are you ready? Listen. P, a, d. B, a, x. O, I, a, n. F, a, n. D, a, g. P, a, k. Now let's try some more. This time, if the word has a picture match, say the number next to the picture. Ready? K, a, p. F, a, x. N, I, f. P, it. P, e, n. O, e, g. Y, a, k. Ch, I, k. M, I, t. Great job. Remember that alligator begins with the short A sound, a. The letter A can stand for the sound a at the beginning or the middle of a word. Cat begins with the hard C sound, k. The hard C sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the hard C sound is just the letter C. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the cat. Duck begins with the D sound. The D sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the D sound is just the letter D. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the duck. Nest begins with the N sound. The N sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the N sound is just the letter N. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the nest. Porcupine begins with a P sound. The letter P stands for the P sound at the beginning of porcupine. Now we're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is P. P. Let's slide over to the next letter in line 2. Remember that when there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Let's blend the two sounds. P, a, pa. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Pa, pan. Read it with me. Pan. Let's try again. Look at line 1. The letter P stands for the P sound. Let's slide over to the next letter in line 2. What sound does the vowel A stand for? Ah. How do you know? Because the word has only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant. Let's blend the two sounds. P, a, pa. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Pad, pad. Read it with me. Pad. Let's do one more word together. Look at line 1. The letter C can stand for the K sound. Let's slide over to the next letter in line 2. What sound does the vowel A stand for here? Ah. How do you know? Because the word only has one vowel and it's followed by a consonant. Let's blend the two sounds. K, a, ka. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Ka, can. Read it with me. Can. Good job. Now we're going to read each line one at a time and then we will talk about the words. Are you ready? Let's read line 1. Ready? An, Pam, am, pat, pan. What do you notice about all of those words? Yes, they all have a short A in them. Okay, look at line 2. Let's read line 2. Are you ready? Okay, read. Can, nap, cat, Dan, cap. Let's read the words a little faster. Ready? Can, nap, cat, Dan, cap. Good. Let's try line 3. Are you ready to read? Mat, sat, bat, at, am. Now let's read the words in the last line. And, band, ant, past. Now we're going to read some complete sentences. Let's start with line 5. Tab is a tan cat. Now line 6. Let's read. Dan sat to tap the map. Good job. Now we are ready to read about Dan and Tab in a story called Tab Can Tap, Tap, Tap.